Hey honeys, it's Ams. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're returning, thanks so much for the support. So today's video, I am collaborating with Luvme Hair with this beautiful bob. As you can see, the shine is gorgeous on this unit. And then also, this is the color 430. So you see these blonde highlights throughout the hair. It's 180% density, it's 10 inches, and you can see the hairline is pre-plucked and it has a middle part. But also, when I got it out the box, I went ahead and straightened it, but I didn't put any products in it. So let's get to styling. So here's the construction of the cap, and it is a 4x4 lace. As you can see, the 3 clips and also the adjustable band, and it is pretty tight. So when I put it on bobs, like sometimes I don't actually use that clip right there in that back nape area, but for a bob I do because I wanted to lay as flat as possible since my braids were not fresh braids. The cap actually fit really good. It wasn't like any of the tabs on my ears or anything like that. Also, I just want to show you guys the hairline again now that I actually have it on. I'm not going to be doing any plucking. There was no time anyways. But yeah, not too bad of a hairline. But also, I'm not going to be adding extra volume or height to the front of my hair. So I'm actually going to wear it flat, so I don't even need to pluck it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and cut this lace off. Who else loves a good bob? Like, I love bobs and I haven't worn them in so long and I have truly missed them. This bob is blueless and it is snug, so it's not moving, it's not going anywhere, but I just wanted to show you guys one more time this lace. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit of Fit Me powder in my part so it can match and cover up my wig cap. That's another thing, like when I cut my lace, it's like I'm starting to like, if I have like a little bit of a middle part, I kind of like to cut so it won't just be straight, like a little triangle. Oh, it looks so much better to me. Put a little bit more Fit Me powder in the part and it looks so much more seamless. Just gotta pull it down some. Yeah. It looks so much more seamless this way. I feel like this is looking really cute. This bob is giving, especially these highlights. With this hair, I did not manipulate the lace really too much. Like, only thing I did was add some Fit Me powder. I did not tint the lace. I didn't even pluck it. I didn't have any glue, any gel, or any sprays. So I feel like this hair is looking good. It's looking really good. It's cute. It's so different for me. I've been wanting a bob all summer. So this is it. Alright. I love when the bob frames your face. Like, I always have to make sure my bob frames my face. Yes. Y'all see this cut? How pretty. you're into bobs with highlights, this is a cute one. I wasn't sure how this was gonna go for me at first. I didn't know. I was like, I don't know. Can't tell me nothing. What? I always like wigs like this because it's just so easy. The maintenance is so low. It's like you can just get up and pop this baby on. You don't even have to go and do too much. You may have to just use a little bit of flat iron at the bottom, hit the ends, and that's it. Y'all seen it. I didn't use much of anything. We're gonna be outside with a lot of flyaways. Just use a little bit of pomade. You're good to go. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.